that I just found? That is a cicada. Hello, Mr. Cicada. He's on my fingers. I'd prefer you got off. Now he's stuck to my fingers. I kind of have a thing about bugs touching my fingers. I don't really know how to get you out of there. Mr. Cicada, I don't want to hurt you. Hello there. Maybe if I just gently pick you up. You're kind of sticky. You look very sticky. I hope you do not bite me. Right here. Down here. In my flower bed. One of my flower beds. You moving. I imagine in my flower bed, you'll be kind of safe. Alrighty. You have anything else to add before I hang up? If you don't like that, I'll be going now. Bye.